just wanted to tell you a little bit about a product that I recently purchased. It is a Title Pocket 6-pocket organizer by Avery. I need it. I actually started like another part-time job, and basically what it entails is just going into different stores and making sure they have inventory and making sure everything's in order pretty much. And I need several paperwork to do that, and it's 3 different stores, so I needed a good folder that was going to really, be able to organize me and be long lasting and stuff like that. So I was in the store and I saw this Avery, and I remembered back when I was in high school and college, I used to buy their products pretty often because they always lasted a long time and they worked really well, and I was really happy with them. I never had a bad experience with any of their products. And normally I would buy like a binder, but sometimes the binder rings can fall apart, and I just really need this for paperwork. So this is by Avery Advantages. I guess this is the product number right here. So 47697. Got a pocket for a customized title page. So when I open this up, I could put a title page right in here. I don't really need to for anything, but I know a lot of people are super organized, and they can do that if they want to. It's up to you. And there's like another pocket right in here, and then you can put, I guess you can really like attach something in here if you wanted to. It's made of plastic, really durable, PRS reference, 6-pocket organizer, made in China, has a business card holder and CD holder. Okay, so that's what this is. This is a business card holder. So this is good for work if you need to carry a business card around or whatever the case is. There's a slot for that, which is really nice. Let's see what else is on here. Durable poly material. So I just put on, so there's actually 2 pockets right here, which is great. So I'm just going to open up to the last side. So this is got a CD holder here, and so there's quite a few pockets here. So this is the back side of it. I chose blue because blue is my favorite color. Blue and pink, and they didn't have a pink available in the store, although I'm sure that they make one. So this has a CD holder, so I guess you could, if you have a CD for work or whatever the case is that you need for the computer, disk, whatever, it's right in here. So that's nice. I don't need that or have that, but it's nice that the option's there if you need it. So that's the last page right here. So this has got 1 folder, and then I'll slide this over. Here's another folder. So like I said, I have 3 stores, so there's more than 3 pockets here. So it's actually more than perfect, more than I need, because I really only needed 3 folders, and I didn't want to get 3 separate folders because then that's like annoying to carry around, and it's like, what if you forget one of them, whatever. It's just easier to kind of have everything in one place. Okay, so 1 folder here, so one side here, 1, 2, open it up, 3, 4, more than I even realized were in here until I started doing this video. So 4, 5, puts pen, plenty of paperwork here, a nice little, I've actually fit a pen and these coupons I need for work right in here. 6, so it's actually got 6 pockets, which is awesome, perfect, more than I need, and then that extra section for the title page too, which is really, really nice. So I'm really happy with this, and it was a great deal. It wasn't expensive at all, so this I know is going to last me a while. I think it says recyclable, Avery Advantages, a little tough to see. Official product, title pocket, a little hard to see right there. Now it doesn't have, like, I know sometimes like you could get a folder with like a zipper or like something that closes and kind of seals over, which is great if, so it's waterproof or whatever in case it's raining that day. So you do have to be careful this way. But if you're like me, I just put this, I have a huge like Mary Poppins bag, as people like to say, that I carry all my stuff in. So I just put this in my bag and zip it up so it doesn't get wet. But yeah, that's the only drawback I would say. It's like, okay, if you're going to be stepping outside in the rain because of the way this is, your papers will get wet. So just be careful with that. But you could put it in a briefcase or a purse, and that solves that problem. So really easy. So this is great for school, for work, whatever the case is, good for kids. Avery Title Pocket 6 pocket organizer. I really like the way it is too. I like that it's like, I like the way it's set up inside. Like I like that the CD holders in the back, the business card holders in the front, and then all the folders are in between. It's really awesome. So I hope you guys found the video useful. I hope you try out the folder for yourself, and I hope you like it.